Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Samsian. Today we are going to learn how we can design line chart in Figma. Please open the Figma and make a frame here because we are going to draw this chart here and active pen tool with the P key. Just click and drag like a mountain and enter the enter key. After making this line, I'm going to double click on it, selecting bend tool and bending this anchor point. With here, you can also adjust these handles as you wish. Then press done. With the help of Control D, duplicate it. With arrow key, bring it a little bit down. This should be closed pad, so I'm going to make it a little smaller to have a room a little bit here. I'm selecting the second one. Selecting pen tool again. Now I'm double clicking on it. Then I can close this path, pressing and holding Shift key to draw a straight line for you. Here it shows that here is straight line and it would be close to this path, and press done. We are going to change the color of it. The first one should be which color you like. I'm going to, for example, make it blue. It's nice. But second one, I'm going to remove the stroke and make a feel of it. I have to just copy this hexacode and bring it here. But I'm opening here and I'm going to make it a linear. Here should be 100 opacity and it should be 0, as you can see. Then I'm going to take it up to be completely adjust as it is one graph. I'm going to choose this first because I'm going to increase a little bit strokes. Okay, choosing both of them, and we can make it group of it, bringing down. Here I'm going to change the name chart, bring it a little bit closer using ellipse, hold Shift key. Stroke should be same color, and I'm giving the feel of white. Now I'm going to duplicate it and bring it maybe here because we want to show that how this graph would be. Now I'm going to make a line from it, but hold on the Shift key here to make it straight. Here we are going to make it not solid but dash. Here maybe 15 is more, 10 is okay, and a little bit gray. Duplicate it and bring it here. We are going a little bit ahead. Select both of them and make center of and bring this circle in front. It should goes back. This one and this one also. Center align and it should come front. It looks better. Okay. As we can see, it's bigger than our chart. It's here, okay. And this one also. Decrease the height. Again, I'm going to choose this and make a line here also using the same color for my crown, and I'm going to duplicate it but decreasing the weight, and Control D, choosing all of the lines. I'm writing the main line. I wish you learned something from this video and you are going to use it. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new video upcoming. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.